In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit submitted responses in Google Forms. This is a crucial feature for anyone using Google Forms extensively, as it allows you to make changes to responses post-submission. Whether you need to correct an error, update information, or simply manage responses more efficiently, this guide will walk you through the steps to enable response editing. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin with, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive account. This is where you'll find all your stored documents, including your Google Forms. Once you're there, navigate to the Apps section. You may notice this section on the left-hand side of your Google Drive page. Don't worry if you can't see it immediately. You might need to scroll down slightly to find it. Click on it and you'll see a list of Google Apps. After clicking on Apps, look for Forms and select it. This will take you to all your saved forms. If you're like me and have quite a few forms saved, you might need to search for the specific one you want to edit. Once you've located your desired form, simply click on it to open it. Now that your form is open, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You will find a gear icon which represents the settings section. Give it a click. This will open up a new window with some configuration options for your form. In this window you'll see several tabs. You'll want to select the Responses tab to access the settings that allow for response editing. Within the Responses settings you'll find the option that reads Allow Response Editing. Make sure this option is checked. This is the key step that will enable users to go back and edit their submitted responses. Once done, navigate to the Published section on the same settings page. It's important to save these changes to ensure the settings are applied properly. Click on the Save button to finalize your configurations. Once saved, you'll see an option labeled Copy Responder Link. Clicking on this link generates a URL that directs responders back to the form for editing. Copy this link as you'll need it to share with users who might need to update their responses. Once copied, you can take a moment to preview the form by clicking Preview and fill it out as a respondent would. After submitting, you'll have the option to edit your response. This capability provides your participants the ease of making necessary updates, saving both time and effort. With that, you now know how to set up and facilitate response editing in Google Forms. Whether it's a simple adjustment or a significant update, these steps ensure everything runs smoothly for you and your form respondents.